Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about the system just briefly, the outline of it. So it's like the 10,000 foot view of what we're going to be doing. So there's two aspects to it. There's the one-time stuff, that involves setup, and that's a good chunk of this course because there's a lot of the technical side that we need to cover. So that's kind of like you're preparing everything. And that deals with things like, your Facebook ad accounts through the business manager, your pixels, all that technical side, um, your page, your Facebook page, making sure that it's set up correctly, making sure that there's things being posted to it on a schedule, and making sure that you have some interaction on the page because that will lower your ad costs over the long term. And then we have to set up, like, if you don't have a store, we've got to set one up. So I'm going to walk you through that. Then we're looking at the theme and the apps and all that good stuff that we have to set up on the store. That's kind of our one-time setup. You won't have to repeat that. But then there's ongoing, and this is where the system really kicks in. And this is a kind of 5 phases, and they repeat. So you start with research, and then you do your design, then you launch a test, then you launch a full-blown ad campaign, depending on, which of your tests actually got a sale. And then we go to the scaling mode. And then what we want to do is continuously be working on each of these so that we don't just run through it once and then give up. We got to keep repeating this. So you can look at this on a weekly cycle where you're going to be researching, designing, testing, and you can actually set days that you want to do each one if you really want to. I just kind of make sure that I always have new tests in the top of the funnel, top of my system funnel at all times. But so it's research, design, testing, launching, scaling, and all you really need to do is follow the system. All right, there's no need to reinvent the wheel. And I think that the question you might be asking yourself is, can you do this? Well, sure you can. It's all laid out here for you. So I just want to do a quick video just to show you kind of the overview of the system before you get into the actual system, so you know what I'm doing and where I'm going with each of these. So let's get started. There is no time like the present, and let's get into the first bit of the actual training now.